Ladies and gentlemen, Arsenal beat West Bromwich Albion. Few very small talking points in 30 seconds. Let me just finish it. Whoever doubted Aaron Ramsdale, I think they would definitely understand what sort of games that he actually brings in. Beautiful with the passes as a goalkeeper that really, let off some sort of attacks. Best part is that he, just like Edward Mundy, gets out of his line when there is a bigger problem, and he just is perfect. I mean, I felt that way. He just his timing of the tackle or his timing of stopping the attacker is really good. His saves are really. I think I like those things. So I hope you got a highlights of exactly what Aaron Ramsdale can do at Arsenal. So that is what my thoughts were as well. But he got a chance and I think he took it. Martin Odegaard, that flick for that Bukayo Saka goal, Obama. Oh my god. And Obama Yang is back. Obama who? Obama what? Obama blood clot Yang, my butter. So he's back, ladies and gentlemen, and with a hat trick, his third career hat trick for Arsenal. Well, it's going to be is the question is for everyone for this video: is Aubameyang back? What do you guys believe is this is the return of Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, the number 14, the ire for Thierry Henry's number 14? Do you think he's back this season? He looked quite sharp, and more importantly, he looked quite focused from the get-go. And I mean, the get-go was everything was perfect about that. So that's really good. So let's talk about what Aaron Ramsdale tweeted out. Well, Aaron Ramsdale tweeted out after the game. Thank you for the reception tonight. Great performance by the lads, and fans never stopped. Looking forward to more games in front of you. Safe journey home. My word, Aaron. How can you not love this guy? It's oh my god, it's just wow. Well, Arteta opened up about how Odegaard's signing will impact Emil Smith Rowe. He says we want Emil to be in a better place to develop him. Having alternatives in that position, they are players that can perfectly fit together. They have shown that together last year. We cannot rely on one player. I'll come to that, but more importantly, well, there we go. The Qatari owner KHM Altani on Instagram says, please, someone actually, an Arsenal fan again, they go in, they did, please save us, and tagged him, and he's putting that on his Instagram stories. So, what is this all about? So, it looks like the Qatari interest in buying Arsenal during this year, but the process will not be easy at all because they tweeted out that I received a lot of questions about Arsenal yesterday, and some were upset because I did not answer them. In fact, I do not have any definite information, but it is said that there is Qatari interest in buying the club during this year, but the process will not be easy. This and God knows, my God. So Arsenal will have an Sheikh invasion. Yes, Arsenal will have a Sheikh invasion. It's on the works, and it's so weird that KSE believes that a bid above 7.5 billion is what he's expecting, and if anyone who comes in can buy Arsenal off of his chest, that's what it will take. That is exactly what it will take. And Arteta on Ramsdale says, I'm really happy with him. He hasn't trained a lot with us, but you can see the qualities he has. He's a really young goalkeeper. You can see the presence and the personality he has when he plays. And talking about Aubameyang, Arteta says he's a really happy character. He needs that connection with people, with his family, friends, and the fans. I think that's something really positive for him, having fans back. The togetherness that the players are showing, how much they want to turn the situation around. I'm really happy for them and the fans that we can give them something to cheer today. And most importantly, Bukayo Saka shared this image because he scored his first goal for Arsenal this season. He says, big win, big support, and a big smile. Oh my god, that is the best part of the game, man. It's really cool, super sick. But more importantly, let's talk about Arteta on Odegaard says he needs players around him to follow and understand him, because the moment he has time on the ball, he's a real threat. He attracts players. He's really confident on the ball. He can take the ball anywhere on the pitch, and he gives us that continuity. And Arteta on the possibility of more signings before the window closes, he says, I don't know what will happen. There is still a few days to go. We have some exits as well planned. We will see. And talking about his debut, Aaron Ramsdale said, it was special. I wasn't expecting the reception I got, so a big thanks to the fans for that. A packed away end on a Wednesday night in the second round of the Carabao Cup shows the passion the supporters have, and we have put on a good performance for them. I got to celebrate a couple of times with them in the first half. which was nice. They sang my name, and it always gives you great confidence, things like that. To see so many of them on a Wednesday night is absolutely outstanding, and I can't wait to see more of them. And yes, talking about his performance, Ramsdale said, I've had a few days of training with the team and I was happy. Made some saves and did what I needed to do. I'm in goal, and first of all, you need to keep the ball out of the back of the net, and that's what I have done. Oh my god, you've done more, man. Oh my god. And Aubameyang shared this image, and of course, with the match ball for his hat trick. Oh my god. So Arteta on Aubameyang said after the virus, Aubameyang to get some minutes and score 3 goals for his confidence is going to be great. And talking about Odegaard, he says, I think Martin gave us something different on the ball that we don't have with any other player in the team. And talking about the victory, Arteta says, when you lose, the most important thing is to win the next as quickly as possible. Get some confidence, get a clean sheet, score some good goals, players that needed goals, players that needed minutes. It's a very positive night. And Aubameyang on the win says, it's good for the confidence of the team. We know we had a tough start to the season, but the only thing I can say is that the commitment of every player is always there 100%. We try to give our best to give the fans what they want, that is winning games. And that is the update. And more importantly, well, let us talk about for a moment. Jean-Michel Aulas has opened up about Houssem Aouar. He says, despite several discussions, no concrete offer has been made, at least for the moment. Unbelievable. And Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's father shared this on his Instagram as well. Yes, he watches his grandsons are watching with the game with him. That's a crazy part. And Aaron Ramsdale shared a hug after the game with Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. That's the beauty. That is exactly the beauty that you could see. And talking about the departures, Arteta says, Kolasinac and Maitland-Niles about him. He says, it's speculation while they are here. We try to treat everybody as good as we can, give them minutes. They're incredible attitude, so the only thing we can get is when we can reward them with minutes because they deserve that. And talking about the debutants, I think I already mentioned that. But Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang was presented with his Man of the Match award. So the Sky reporter said, a trophy to take away for the kids as well. He says, for the family always. Thank you. And talking about the season, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang says, of course it still can be a good season. We had only 2 games. We still have 36 games left. So we will try to give our best to get a good season. I think everyone deserves it because everyone is giving everything every day. And talking about on what he does with his match balls, Pierre says, I keep them at home for my kids. I will try to get the signing of every player on the ball. And on what goal gave him most pleasure, he says the last one, the special. Of course, it was the best one, the typical Aubameyang finish. That's really good. And that is the best part. 3 goals and 1 assist. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang was a class apart. But more importantly, in the 3rd round of the Carabao Cup, Arsenal, their opponents have already been announced. It's AFC Wimbledon, and they have tweeted out that they are waiting to see Aaron Ramsdale play against them. And that is the beauty of football, man. That's really crazy. And yes, it is confirmed that Arsenal will face AFC Wimbledon. And my God, trust me, if you're an Arsenal fan, go and watch that highlights again and again. Don't check out Arsenal's. They've not even posted it. So the EFL Cup, the Carabao Cup, the EFL have officially put the video of the only goals highlights. But go check out on YouTube the highlights of yesterday game again and again. You can see Aaron Ramsdale's compilations on Twitter or on YouTube. Go check it out. You can definitely get more answers to your questions regarding Aaron Ramsdale. But more importantly, Chris Davison tweeted out that Arteta was asked that if Mikel Arteta about the exit says we have some player exits planned. So that's the beauty. And Charles Watts tweets out, nice scenes at full time after such a horrible start to the season. Away fans and players celebrating together. Odegaard and Aubameyang give their shirts to fans in the crowd. Ramsdale chants ringing out, and that's unbelievable. And don't forget the Lacazette goal was also real lovely, riveting stuff. And according to Simone Rovera, he says AC Milan are interested in signing Willian. The Brazilian winger is an opportunity that the Rossoneri are considering. The player has been shown to the club in recent days. Maldini values his profile. It might be a chance in the next few days. So AC Milan, ladies and gentlemen, that is what it is. It could be AC Milan for Willian, and that is, I mean, Kia Joorabchian is definitely finding answers, and Willian is definitely leaving Arsenal. What more do you want from the transfer window? Well, a couple of signings, if you ask me. With this, I'd like to end this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you see daily Arsenal content, best place to be. Consider subscribing. Cheers.